Okay, we've let our 3 pieces dry. We've sanded this all down now. I put a couple screws in here. I want to make sure it stays together and doesn't come apart on us. Sometimes it does. So we marked the inside that we have to cut out, and we're going to cut this across here and cut this piece off. Then this is what we'll be able to take on and off if we ever have to get inside to do anything, to fix anything. So I've marked the inside of this here. We'll cut this piece off first. Have this, we cut this off. So now what we'll do is we'll be able to do this and put this on the head. First thing we're going to do is we have to cut the block out inside. Cut it off down in here. So now when we put our outside piece on, so this will go here. We'll do the same with this piece here. We'll cut it, notch it out where we need to, and then we'll be on to the next step. So we're going to cut this piece out, and then we'll move on. Thanks for watching.